Hello there and welcome back. Today we are going to convert a string into a list. So let's start, shall we? So I'm going to hold it in this variable called myString is equal to, and we're going to create a string. So going to convert a string into a list. Okay, so that's the string that we're going to use. Now we'll create a little function and we'll call it something like convert string. So anybody sees that will know what it's about instantly. Right, okay, another variable, string list here is equal to my string dot split. Okay, so we're going to print the string list. Whoops. Print string list. Okay. And what we're also going to do here, we're going to check for if list is in the string list. So we're going to check to see if there's a word in there as well. So we're going to search the string as well. So let's have a look. If list in string list. So we're going to optionally search for something in there as well. And we're going to hit print word found. If we find that in the string, or else if we don't find it, we're going to print word not found. Word not found. Okay. Now all we have to do now is call the function, and it's called convert, not covert. Convert string. So convert string here. Convert string, and now we're just going to save that. Okay, so let's run the program and see what happens, shall we? There you go, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. So what we've done here, I'll just shrink this down a little bit. So, oh dear, I didn't mean to shrink it down that much. So going to convert a string into a list. So we've done that with the string split, and the word here that we're searching for, list, word found. There we go, word found, because the word was right at the end there, so word found. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just play around with the program a little bit. So let's put something like X here and see what the output is going to be. So the else statement should catch that. So let's run it, shall we? Run the module. Okay, there we go. Of course, X wasn't in there, so it's printed word not found. So I hope you like that, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs up anyway, and make sure you hit that subscribe button below. It'll take you 1 second, it'll help me out, and it'll help me to produce more videos like this for the channel. And anyway, thank you very much for coming along and viewing it. So remember, I will catch you in another video. Bye bye.